Hi, Alan Schimmel, DevOps.com here at Does 2015. And I'm joined by Ajit Rajappan
Yes.
and Ramona Jackson of Cisco IT.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having
So
us.
both Ajit and Ramona literally just walked in off of the stage where they just gave their session on Cisco's own IT journey into DevOps. Kind of a familiar theme we're hearing here at DevOps Enterprise 2015. Guys, why don't you, for our viewers who unfortunately couldn't be here, why don't you give us a little bit of insight into your session?
Sure. So we talked about the transformation that we started about 15 months ago, where we brought our large 3,500 plus IT organization along to learn agile best practices as a way of delivering business capabilities to our clients, and leveraging a standard technology tool chain where we were doing some standardization, some automation in some cases to really expedite the software delivery cycle.
Excellent. And Ajit, what did you think of the audience? Was there feedback?
Audience, they were very engaged. I mean,
Yeah.
we didn't have enough time to ask questions or answer questions.
We didn't
So
have
we had a
questions.
lot of people stopping by after the session, wanted to talk. Yeah.
Yep. Guys, one of the things that we always run into is the people think you just turn a switch on for
Right.
DevOps and we're DevOps.
Yeah.
But it is a journey. It's a path, if you will.
Yeah.
A way, if you will. How has that been at Cisco? How long has this been kind of brewing?
Well, yes, I get why there are challenges, right? We are a large company. We've been around 30 years now, and we have people that are very experienced that have been doing their jobs, their roles for many years. And so to get them to shift gears, to take on new roles, new responsibilities, new tasks is a big challenge. So we started focusing on the technology about 2 years ago. Got the technology in place, and then we started the hard stuff, the process, defining the process end to end, and then educating and driving change management throughout the organization. And that was a 15-month cycle to move the about 3,500 IT employees along, plus the number of contractors we have along on the journey.
That is quite a journey.
Yes.
And obviously the journey doesn't stop here. You just happened to present
Absolutely.
today. What does the journey look like going forward?
So when we look at the applications, 600 applications and 80 different services as part of the scope for this one, as of today, there are around 35 services gold certified, which means they have met the criteria from a process, platform, and people perspective. Are they there, fully there? No. This gives them an escape velocity to explore things and reach their full potential. That's the way we look at it. So that journey continues, and we have another 45 services to get certified in that area.
And there will be more after
Absolutely.
that.
Yes.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
And what has been your impression overall of DevOps Enterprise Summit so far?
You know, the one thing I was just sharing with some other folks I was talking to, the one thing that I've seen is that the challenges are common. The wins are common. It's like we're all trying to do the same thing. We're just going about it a little bit different way. But the problems that we have, we're very open about them. They're very similar, which
There's a
to me,
commonality.
it is. Which validates what we're doing, right? It validates that we're making some good decisions, and the struggles that we've been struggling with are common to other people. It's not because we've maybe done something wrong or taken a misstep. So that's
Absolutely.
good.
I agree. Last question. So you 15 months plus on this journey, still have 45 more services to go. What about 3 to 5 years? What about further out? Where do you think Cisco is on this?
So I would say continuous delivery or DevOps becoming part of the DNA.
Yeah.
Nobody should be thinking about it. Nobody should be
Just the
taking
way
an
it is.
extra effort. It's like you breathe. That's where we need to reach. That is the optimum potential, I would say.
I agree. And we'll interview you next year and see how far along we go with that.
Sounds great.
Sounds
Thank
good.
you for having us.
Thank you for having us. Enjoy the rest of Does 2015. This is Alan Schimmel of DevOps.com.